Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Ford Ranger vs Toyota Hilux vs Isuzu D-Max full comparison. Start by picking one priority: towing, off-roadability, or daily comfort. I will walk through engines, fuel use, cab space, and safety gear so you can decide fast. I will highlight which truck leads in durability, which saves money at the pump, and which offers the best value overall. We begin with engines and drivetrains to see how each truck performs under load and on twisty roads. I will compare horsepower, torque delivery, and transmission choices to show real-world towing behavior and highway cruising. We will note how suspension setups change ride comfort and off-road confidence, and explain how these factors translate into everyday driving, work use, and long-distance trips. Quick recommendation and a friendly ad break. If this comparison is helpful, please subscribe and like the video. On another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for easy voice control, playlists while you wrench, and clear hands-free calls during road trips. It pairs naturally with truck playlists and navigation prompts. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Next, we assess durability and running costs so you can plan ownership long-term. I will cover typical repair trends, expected service intervals, and how warranty terms protect you. We look at resale strength and spare parts access to forecast depreciation and downtime. Finally, I will compare fuel economy figures and maintenance budgeting to estimate realistic yearly costs for each model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.